Hello everyone, my name is Vikas Mehra and in this video we are going to discuss one of the concept of microeconomics, which is opportunity cost. In the last video we have discussed a concept, particularly the assumption of production possibility curve, and in this video we will stretch that concept. Opportunity cost. For example, today at 7 a.m. you woke up and you go to the office. Suppose your monthly salary is 30,000. And let us assume every 30 days you go to the office. So it means your per day salary is 1000. Now, if one day you decided you will not go to the offices, so you have certain other alternatives available for you. For the entire day, you can provide freelancing opportunity, freelancing services to other clients, via which you can earn say 2000 per day. Or you can do some babysitting work, via which you can earn say 3000 per day. Or you can have an n number of work. Suppose you decided to go to the office to earn that 1000. In order to earn that 1000, you are obviously sacrificing something. This is from this way we have the opportunity cost concept. Opportunity cost is the cost of next best alternative foregone. It is the cost of next best alternative foregone. Alternative foregone. It means in order to go to the office, in order to earn 1000 rupees, you are obviously foregoing something, and you have two alternative in this context. Either do the freelancing or do the babysitting. So in the case one, you are getting 2000, and in the case two, you are getting 3000. So opportunity cost means the next best alternative. So obviously if you don't go to the office, definitely you will be doing babysitting, because via babysitting you can earn 3000 rupee per day. So that is your opportunity cost. Now in the context of PPC, we will study this opportunity cost concept. In the context of PPC, In the context of PPC, the concept will modify to marginal opportunity cost. Marginal opportunity cost. Opportunity cost still hold the same meaning. The value of something which you are sacrificing to gain something else. And marginal here means some extra unit. So in context of PPC, the marginal opportunity cost means the number of unit of good X, the number of units of, instead of specifying the good, let me say one good. The number of units of one good which you are, or which an economy, particularly this PPC means the potential of an economy. So we can't take the decision. Obviously, the economy has to take the decision. The number of units of one good which an economy is willing to sacrifice, or is willing to sacrifice, or willing to less produce to gain an additional unit of another good. To gain an additional, instead of gain, we can write to produce an additional unit of another good. Additional unit of another good. As we discussed in the last class, in the PPC, we usually take the assumption that economy is producing two good X and good Y. Let us say economy is sacrificing this good. So we attach minus sign with that in order to gain good X. So let us make two column. You have good X, which you are gaining or which you are producing more, and good Y, which you are sacrificing. Let us fill that column. Initially, the economy is producing 1 of X and say 15 of Y. Then we have 2 of X and say 14 of Y, 3 of X and say 12 of Y, 4 of X and 9 of Y, 5 of X and 5 of Y. So marginal opportunity cost means change in X. This means dy. This means either it is pronounced as delta, or if you are coming from the maths background, so you are aware of this derivative sign. So dy by dx, or the change in y due to change in x. So x is changing first, and we are studying the impact of change in x on the y. So it means x is our independent variable, which is changing, and y is our dependent variable, which is impacted by this independent variable. Okay, so in the first case we have dash. In the next case we are gaining 1 unit of x. So we are gaining delta x means what is changing. So we are gaining 1 unit of x, and what we are sacrificing, 1 unit of y. So MOC is -1. In the next case, again we are gaining 1 unit of x, and now we are sacrificing 2 units of y. So it is -2 divided by positive of 1. -2 is the answer. In the third case, we are again gaining 1 unit of x, and now we are sacrificing 3 units of y. -3 by positive y. So -3 is the answer. Similarly, in the last case, we have -4 is the answer. In order to uh, explain a concept, I will take the absolute value of this MOC. This is a sign for the modulus. Modulus means the value inside will be either positive or negative, but the end result will be positive. So +1, +2, +3, and +4. I think you're able to follow a general trend. Here MOC is increasing. This is called the law of increasing MOC. In the future videos, in the following video, we are going to discuss the reason behind this increasing feature of MOC. I hope you like this video and you can learn the more concept in the following videos. Thank you guys.